Hi everyone, I'm Pam, and today is Tip Tuesday. So I am going to give you a tip that I do know I've shared this a couple times, but we have new people in the group and they might not have seen it. So I do a lot of work in ChatGPT in regards to like getting outlines for courses, getting outlines for blog posts, stuff like that. But what I do is I have this in ChatGPT, and I will bring it over. I'll copy and paste, bring it over to Canva. I used Canva Docs. Canva Docs is amazing, and I love it because that's where I am all the time, anyways. So, yeah. So I just copy and paste everything that I want to work on from ChatGPT because I can't change anything, right? I can't work on it. I can't uh, change up anything on here. So, what I do, like I said, copy and paste. I go over to Canva and I will paste it in here. But sometimes I get these little things. And do you think I want to spend my time deleting all these? No. So I'm going to show you quick and easy way to do this. And now, this isn't just for these little things. These are for certain words. Um, what I used to do with them, and I still do, but a lot of people don't put their URL on PLR products that much anymore. But if you're using templates and it says best site, whatever, you can do this trick as well. Or if you are wanting to replace your URL in a document with something else, just if you are wanting to replace certain things, this is what you do. Okay. All right. So you go up to File, and you can do this in any of the designs. Okay. So I'm going to go down to Find and Replace Text. Okay. An easier way to get to it is Control F. All right. So then what we're going to do is we are going to put in these little things. Little, and there's 64 of them. So I definitely would have wasted several minutes doing this. And then what I'm going to replace it with is nothing. So I just want to keep that blank. But if you were going to replace it with something, then you would put it right here. Like if we wanted to replace it, we're just going to do this for sake of teaching here. All right, and then replace all. It switched them all to the money signs. Okay, so now we want to find the money signs, 64 of them, and then we are going to delete, just take them out. So when you replace this, it will only replace one. I'm not worried about this, but this is empty, and I'm going to replace all. And there we go, all done. There isn't any more, no more of those little stars or the money. So there we go. A little tip for you today.